This is your very spacious living room, guys. Just check out the kitchen. A very spacious kitchen. You get it with two sides. Right here is your very spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I am going to be giving you the sample flat tour of Aftara the Forest Kingdom by Ace and Square Feet Group. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. And right there is the actual construction site. Have a look at it. Now I'll take you outside at the main road and show you the neighborhood and connectivity. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right here is the main road. Check out the neighborhood, guys. This will lead you directly to highway. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 8.5 acres with 7 towers, ground plus 42 floors within configuration of 2-3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, this project has 50 plus world-class amenities including 7 different turf, half Olympic size pool, indoor game zone, jogging park, kids play area, gym and many more. Talking about connectivity of this project is located in Kasaragod, Thane West with Thane station at a distance of just 25 minutes, upcoming Coastal Road at a distance of just 5 minutes, GB Road at a distance of just 2 minutes, Metro station at a distance of just 655 meters and Thane Borivali Tunnel at a distance of just 10 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Now let's go inside and check the sample flat. Now let me give you the sample flat tour of this 3 BHK with an area of 1002 square feet. As we enter, this is a very big foyer space. Just have a look at it. Very rarely we get such big foyer spaces. You can utilize it for your shoe rack and whatever. As we move ahead, this is your very spacious living room, guys. Just check out this living room. Such a spacious living room. Just look at the walkable space in this room. Right there is your balcony. You get it with full French windows. Just look at the space in the balcony. 3 to 4 people can easily stand, sit and have their coffee, enjoy their sunset, sunrise. And you also get attached railing to your balcony. Moving ahead, right here is your dining space. This is your 8-seater dining space. You can easily have a dining space till here, so 8 to 10 seater of dining space can easily come. So obviously a very big living room with a nice dining space. This wall you can use to store your crockeries or dining essentials, I must say. Moving ahead, right here is your kitchen, a very spacious kitchen. You get it with 2 sides of parallel platform. And right here is your dry space. Check out the dry space for your washing machine. Right where your platform ends, here they have given a cabinet space for you to store your microwave oven, and besides that is your refrigerator area where your 2-side double door refrigerator can easily adjust. So a very spacious kitchen. Moving ahead, this is your bedroom. Let's go and have a look at the bedroom. So this is your foyer space and right here is your very spacious bedroom. Just look at the amount of walkable space in this room. And right here you get full French window attached and balcony attached to your bedroom for your privacy reasons. Right here is your wardrobe area, so a whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe area, and still there's so much of walkable space in this room. And now let's check out the attached washroom. So this is your very spacious attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Moving ahead, let's go and check out the other bedrooms. So right here is your common washroom for your guests. Again, a spacious common washroom which you get with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And right parallel to your common washroom, this is your bedroom. So this can be your kid's bedroom. Just look at the space in this room. No room is congested, and again you get this with French window and attached balcony. Have a look at it. Right here on this wall is your wardrobe space. So a whole wall dedicated for your wardrobe space. And then still there's so much of space in this room. So no room is congested over here. So now let's go and check out our last bedroom, the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, sample flat video and actual flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI schemes and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book your free site visit with us today. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. As we enter, right here is your foyer space. Have a look at it. And right here is your very spacious master bedroom. Just look at the space in this room after placing a whole king size bed. Also, there's so much of walkable space. Right here is your huge wardrobe space. Just check out, the entire wall is dedicated for your wardrobe area. Check out the balcony. You get it with French window attached. Now let's check the attached washroom. Again, a quite spacious attached washroom. You get it with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Every room in this house is quite spacious, guys, especially this master bedroom. It's huge. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Aftara, the Forest Kingdom, located in Thane West. To get more information about this project, do check the comment section, and to know more about such unique properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.